Hi everyone, welcome to the 9-month tasting of the ginger peach mead. I almost feel like this is like the 3-month to 1 year tasting as a bit of a refresher, okay? So I used 4 pounds of peaches, 1.4 ounces of ginger. I like barely remember what happened to this mead. What do you know? It's been so long since I made it. It's hazy, as you can see. I'm getting better about clearing my meads, though, so that's great for my future. I don't know if I've had this since I bottled it or not. So on the nose, you do get peaches, and you get a bit of heat, which is that ginger coming through. It has a very nice honey nose. I would do things differently if I made this again. The ginger's very present. It would have been helpful if I used peaches in secondary probably. And I remember I used that like hero juice, which is probably why this is so hazy. I think it was that flippin' peach juice that I bought from like Whole Foods or whatever it was. So some people really love ginger mead, like Blackheath Meadery in Richmond. They're one of my favorite meaderies. That was like my regular spot to go to when I lived down there, because I only live like a 5-minute drive from them, if that. And they're really good. And they had a peach mead, or not peach, sorry, a ginger mead that they'd put out every single year. I had it once and I just did not like it. I just didn't. But so many people like that mead that they make it every year. I'm not really one of those people, so I wanted to try it with peach. I just wanted to see how it would come out. I don't think I would make this again, TBH. There might be a little bit of an off flavor, though I can't really tell. No, I think it's just the ginger and peach, because on the nose there's nothing off. It's very honey forward on the nose. It's very like, the bouquet is nice, but that ginger is just so like bitey. I just don't really like it. I just don't. Man, this would be one that'd be like actually really interesting to have another person sit in on, because it's like, I don't really like it, but that other person might love it. If you like ginger mead, then maybe you would like this. I don't really like this, so I look forward to having other people drink it and getting my bottles back, hopefully. That's all I can say about it. I'll have some mead friends try it, see what they think. There's nothing inherently wrong with it, I don't think. I just don't like it. I don't think it's sweet enough. I think the ginger's too bitey. I don't think there's enough peach. I think I would want more of a peach heavy with a ginger background, and right now it's more of a ginger in the foreground and a peach in the background, and I don't like that. I don't know if I want to put the recipe down below. I guess I will, just in case you want to take the base of it and work with it. If you like the sound of the flavor combination, if you want to try it yourself. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.